Hi guys, welcome to my blog. This is Arnold, the Desert TV. And for today's video, I will show you how to install Marble with all the information and details. See you guys. This is the size of a marble, 120 cm by 60 cm, and the thickness is 1.5 inch. Before the installation of this marble, align first the height, if it is the same, and put a number. This marble needs cutting for the clamp support, and insert the clamp and fixing on the wall with the anchor bolt. This is the clamp used to hold the marble during the installation. This is the way to install the marble. Slowly setting down on the block. And place the level bar on the top. To make it sure the elevation. And this is the chemicals. Mix it properly together and apply at the joint of the marble. After setting the marble, apply the white cement and tiles compound so that it will hold tight. Before you start to install the marble headers design, fill up all the space at the back of the marble with this compound, as I said earlier. This is how to install the header marble. Use the clamp and put a chemical, the 2 small buckets, mix it and apply. The clamp is the same and procedure as well. And this is the finished output. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like, and share Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.